Welcome to 101 Keats Court. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 2-story condo located in the village at Lake Murray condo community in Northwest Columbia. The community sits on Lake Murray and has a community boat ramp as well as dock and pool, and is also gated as well. You can see the gate that is right up there. So we're right outside the unit. There is possibly assigned parking, though none of it is actually marked outside in the parking lot, so you won't want to inquire or confirm that information with the leasing office. But we're sitting outside in the front, and you can see you have a covered entry here and also just a small gated area for outdoor storage for trash cans and possibly bicycles, things like that outside. And as you step inside into the foyer, you have tile flooring, and here you can see the stairs going up the open stairwell to the second level. And just off of here we have access to a coat closet beneath the stairs. And then you can see the living room is down a couple of steps there, but we'll go to our left first and take a look at the bathroom. There's a half bathroom downstairs as well as laundry room and kitchen. So the half bathroom is here. You have a single vanity and there's space underneath for a stool or a chair beneath the vanity there. Medicine cabinet and commode in the half bath. There also is a linen closet or just a storage closet or pantry with some horizontal shelving in here. And in this laundry, kitchen, and bathroom area, you do have laminate flooring. The laundry room is full size behind 2 bifold doors. You have a shelf above. It's a space for side-by-side washer dryer in there. And then the kitchen itself is a galley style, as you can see. On the right side, you have a utility closet there, not a whole lot to see in there, but a refrigerator, stainless steel dishwasher, and a electric stove is included. White cabinets as well. So you can see pretty nice sized kitchen for a galley. And then also you have a formal dining room here at the back end of the property. So a ceiling fan in here, chair rail molding, and then sliding glass doors letting you out to the patio space. So out back you have an enclosed patio that's fenced off back here. So it's 2 levels. You have the level that comes off of the dining area, and then you step down into some additional space that is off of the living room that's sunken, and you can see there's a gate to the outside there. But nice use of the outdoor space, and also same with the balconies upstairs as you'll see. But the living room is down a couple of steps here, as we mentioned. Sunken, you have some wall sconces built in. That does make for a nice high ceiling height in here as well. And as you can see, that wall, the large sliding glass door against the wall there, letting in a lot of natural light. So if you go back up the steps and up the stairwell off the entry, go up to the second level, you have a pretty neat lighting fixture in the stairwell. And then you come up to the landing here, which is a nice size. You can just see back out towards that fixture, and also you have a nice sized window in here as well. So there's one full bathroom up here, accessible from both the hall and from one of the bedrooms. So you can see it here with the single vanity. You have tile flooring in here, as well as a shower and tub that's tiled as well. And then your commode is kind of tucked back in the corner there. And then on this side, you do have a linen closet as well. And then of course you keep going through this door into the larger of the 2 bedrooms. I do believe this one has basically one long closet against the wall, but you have 2 sets of bifold doors to access that. And then you have a sort of higher sort of clerestory window up there, and then access to the outdoor space via the storm door here. So you can see nice sort of balcony that comes out, and you can see the door for the other bedroom there as well. So once we come back inside and out into the hallway, you see right next door we have the second bedroom. Lots of natural light in here with that sliding glass door out to that same balcony we were just on, and then a nice sized closet behind the bifold doors on that opposite wall. So that completes our tour of this home at 101 Keats Avenue on Lake Murray in Northwest Columbia. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.